All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is part 3. So I'm done for the day. I just got finished eating a little bit of my famous Pirate Punch jerky. Anyway, so it's almost painted. I'm a dipshit. I mixed up the last batch of paint to finish. I'll show you. Anyway, I went to pick it up and it slipped out of my hand and spilled it everywhere. I got it cleaned up, but I didn't have enough to finish. Had to order more paint. It won't be here till in the morning. Cool part is this PPG Shopline paint has a 24-hour open window, so as long as you get it clear coated within the 24 hours, it's fine. So tomorrow when I get the paint around 10:30 in the morning, I'll tack it down, give it another coat, and then I'll go right into clear coat. But I'll bring you back for essentially part 4, which will be the clear coat. But let me talk to you about the base coat. I just had to get some stuff done. I was running behind today, so that's why we're starting the video now after I'm done for the day and not when I started. So let me show you. So this is, I think it's called Aztec White. I threw away the container, but anyway, this is the original Volkswagen color, which kind of matches with what's in there. But the outside is pretty good. I'm pretty happy with the outside. Like I said, I am going to put another coat on everything just because I was not able to get up in there as well as I want, nor in that jam, nor on the hinges, and the underside needs another coat. So I just went ahead and ordered some more paint. See, it's not quite covered enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and quit for the evening. I got the door jambs all painted up. I don't know if he's gonna keep the original steering wheel, but I went ahead and covered it up, and the shifter. There's really nothing else in there. So it's all done. I'm happy with it. I did not get good coverage underneath there either, which is part of the reason why I'm not calling it done yet. I am happy with how it's coming out. It is not a perfection paint job. First of all, that doesn't exist. But there is always more time you can put into a paint job. And in business, you've got to agree on a time and a dollar amount of value for that time. And so I have already by far exceeded what I'm being paid to do, but that is always the case when I do a job. I did put the hood down and it scratched the ever-loving piss out of that, so I'm gonna address that tomorrow before I give it another coat, and I will not be laying that down on top of that again, so that was my fault. But looks good, pretty happy. The coverage is pretty even. I see some shadows I don't love, which is again why I'm going to put another whole coat on, and that'll be that. So I also want to shoot some up underneath there, but that's where we're at today. And tomorrow I'll get that other final coat on, and then I'll bring you back and start part 4, which will be the clear coat situation. So anyway, thank you guys so much for following along on this Volkswagen project. I do this channel to show you guys what I'm doing. I don't mind teaching you guys something, but everybody has their own paint technique. Everybody has been taught by someone else. Everybody has their own opinions and preferences and all the things. And kind of where I'm at is I've learned on my own. I know what's going on. I don't need to be taught, but you can always learn more. And that's it. I don't mind showing you guys a thing or two if you're interested. Just let me know. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack it up for the day. I got a decent job done on that jam. I would like to get a little bit more paint in that section, so hopefully I can do that tomorrow. Again, I did not pull these fenders off. That wasn't part of the deal. I went and painted right over the seals. The owner knows that. That's what he wanted me to do. No big deal. But there's always another way to skin a cat. So if you're one of those guys saying, oh, well, I would have done this and I would have done that. Well, that's you, brother, not me. And that's what's up. All right, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow on part 4, the clear coat.